Man.
Wow.
Stop.
No, they
Stop.
put me in here.
Stop. Stop,
Hey,
dude.
bro, can you help him? Oh!
Stay here. Don't get out of the car.
Help! Help me! Can y'all start recording, please?
Stop. You're getting
Can y'all start recording, please?
Yep.
They pulling us over for no reason. Can y'all start recording, please? Please help me.
right, I'm just-
Help! Help!
A registration light, a turn signal dispute, 2 minor traffic violations in Normal, Illinois. That is where this stop begins. 9 minutes later, one passenger is running from police with a firearm, another is having a panic attack on the hood of a squad car, and the driver has earned 4 separate charges. One officer's calm becomes a masterclass in how Illinois traffic law actually works. One officer's joke becomes a cautionary tale.
Hello. I'm Officer Woodring with Normal Police Department, pulling you over tonight because of your rear registration light. It's not on, and then your left-hand turn out of the right-hand lane up here. So when you turned onto the lane,
Link on, but okay.
you turned it on, and then you turned out of the right-hand lane.
To the left hand, and then I turned in here.
Yeah, but it was all one fluid motion. You didn't like change lanes and then turn in here.
Okay, here go my registration, and I don't know which one is the insurance.
I see the AAA there. I'll take your driver's license, the registration, and then I gotta look at your AAA. No, I just want the valid insurance.
Okay.
I see both of those expired in August of 25. It's the same card.
She have the right one. We have
Who,
insurance.
your mom does?
Yeah.
Can you give her, I gotta see valid insurance before I let you go. Where y'all coming from?
We're just coming to pick up his girlfriend.
Okay. Where's she at?
Right.
Alright, you can have this one back. Where you guys coming from?
We pick up her, and that was it.
Okay. Have you guys had anything to drink or smoke tonight?
No, I don't smoke or drink.
No? Okay. Does anybody in here smoke? I could smell cannabis.
No. Do you smell cannabis? No.
I do. When I was walking up, you could smell it. None of you guys have even a little bit amount of personal?
Come on, man. Alright. No.
No?
No. No.
Alright. Do you have your ID on you too, boss? Your driver's license or your photo ID?
They is in the passenger seat. Does it matter? I was driving.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license or photo ID on you? Okay. Okay. Hold on. Pause. You don't have to give me your driver's license, photo ID. She does. She's not wearing a seatbelt, and that's an enforcement.
You don't have a seatbelt on?
No.
I just took my seatbelt off.
Okay. Well, you're not wearing it now, so I'm not just gonna take your word for it. If I took everybody's word, I wouldn't be doing my job. Do you have your photo ID on you? Can you roll down this window, boss?
Let me check.
You don't have your ID on you? Is that like a dab pen? Is that what I'm smelling?
Yeah, this is a hookah pen.
Hookah? Well, that doesn't have THC in it, right? Or does it?
No.
All right. Your ID.
I don't know.
Don't have it at all? All right. Your name will work.
My name?
Yeah, I just need your name and date of birth. Okay. Okay. What's up with your driving too, man? Like when I turned on to West College here off of Main Street, I hit about 45 trying to catch up to you, and like you were maintaining that distance with me. You know how fast you were going when you turned on to?
Yeah, I was going to speed limit. And then I turned over here.
Okay.
You wasn't that close to me.
Yeah, I never said I was. I said you maintained the distance between us. Where are you guys coming from?
I just told you. Why do that matter? What's going on?
I'm curious. Your mannerisms and stuff are very odd. One, you're kind of slurring your speech. You said you haven't drank or smoked anything. Okay, do you typically slur your speech when you talk?
How? What is foreign to you?
Okay, and then again, so you're like not following my questions very well. I asked where you're coming from. You repeated that you were coming here to pick up.
Where I'm coming from? What do I got? Why do I have to tell you what I'm coming from?
Okay, you don't necessarily have to tell me where you're coming from, but you understand why it.
We said that we just picked her up, and you said,
Right.
okay,
Where did you come from? I said,
Okay, but that's not what he said. You said I asked where you were coming from.
That is what happened. I said that I picked her up.
We just picked her up, and then you asked again.
Yeah,
Where'd you come
but he
from?
said we're coming here to pick up his girlfriend.
No, I said from his girlfriend.
I'm his
her.
Just picked her
I
up.
got
Right
you.
here.
Okay,
And
that
you
makes.
asked it again because you want us to tell you a certain
Right.
location, but we don't have to tell you a certain location. sir.
That's not why I asked again.
Okay, why did you ask?
10-4. I asked a second time because when I asked you where you were coming from, you said we were coming here to pick up his girlfriend.
No, I didn't.
And then I asked you again, and you said
I'm
again.
sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay.
We came to pick her up, is what I'm saying.
And that was somewhere else.
Yes.
Okay. Over on Locust, where you guys were coming from? Where you turned by the gas station?
No, it don't matter. That's where I wait here. That's why I wait here. That's
Okay.
it.
All right. All right.
What started as a registration light goes from a basic ticket to a foot chase, a felony firearm charge, and 3 arrests in under 9 minutes. Buckle up. The driver insists he did signal. The officer insists he did not. They are about to go to court over a blinker dispute that becomes the least important thing on the charging sheet. Watch the backseat carefully in the next 2 minutes. There is a passenger about to take off running, and what falls out of his pocket is going to redefine this stop. And listen for the female passenger by the end of the video. She is going to volunteer something that no defense attorney would ever want a client to say out loud. Hit like if you can already see this turning into more than a traffic ticket. Subscribe so you do not miss the foot chase or the felony charge. The officer is calm. The driver is escalating. Illinois law is about to side very firmly with the calm one.
You guys hang tight for me real quick, okay? Why did you come here? You just said you came here.
Ticket, bro.
Do you know where you're at?
Yes, I know. Why would I not?
Do you know what street you're on?
It don't matter. It don't matter.
Okay. Why did you pull into this house? If I walk up to this house and ask if they know who you are, would they know?
Our ticket, unless we got a ticket, did we do anything wrong? You said we pulled over.
Yeah, your registration light and then your failure to signal 100 feet prior to turning.
But I put on my turn signal. You say I
didn't. You hit your left turn signal.
Listen, and we gonna go to court about
okay.
that because I put on my turn signal. You say I didn't. Okay.
Okay.
Like, okay.
Okay. All right, you guys hang tight for me real quick, okay?
Hey, how's it going, man? Hey, so we're finishing up the paperwork now. Do you mind just hopping out and we'll come chat over here?
Why do I gotta hop out?
I'll explain it once you get out, okay? You're not in any trouble right now. We just gotta hop out and talk with you guys. Cool. Don't get in the driver's seat.
All right, Mayshawn, I'll just have you stand at the front of the car here, man. Just be careful. It's slick. There's like ice right here. Like I said earlier, I can smell cannabis coming from the car. If you got a little bit of personal use cannabis, or if you have knowledge that any of your passengers.
Ain't no cannabis coming from the car. You can't smell no cannabis coming from the car. We just picked her up and none of that.
Okay. Do you ever transport weed in your car?
No.
Okay.
I don't.
Have you stand here, put your hands on the hood of the car, okay?
And I don't consent of a search. So.
Okay, you don't have to consent right now, okay?
Why do I? But what
it's
do
a probable cause search because of the odor of cannabis from the car.
It ain't no odor. It ain't no.
Put your hands on the car, okay?
It's either we do it out here or you get put in handcuffs and in a car. So it's up to you, man.
But what did I do that?
Because you're not understanding what we're saying. We're telling you
why
that
is y'all searching me though?
Because we explained we can smell the odor of cannabis.
It ain't no odor.
We can debate it. It doesn't matter. We're going to search the car. So you're either going to be compliant and stay out here, or you're going to go in handcuffs and go in the back of the car. That's the choices.
That's crazy. And I don't consent to it. What's it called? Consent?
Mm-hmm.
I don't consent to this.
That's all right. We don't need it.
How's it going, man? Were you just on the phone with 911?
Yeah.
Okay, trying to get a hold of a sergeant?
Yeah, because I'm afraid. I don't know what's going on.
All right, there's no reason to be afraid, man. So I don't know if he explained it to you. We're just going to search the car because I can smell cannabis coming from the car.
There's no cannabis in the car, bro.
Okay.
Time to break down every legal layer of this Illinois traffic stop, because there is more going on here than a registration light. Issue 1. The lawful stop. Officer Woodring observed 2 violations, a rear registration light that was out, and a left turn made from the right lane without a proper signal. Either violation alone is sufficient probable cause for a stop. The driver's argument about whether the blinker activated is a question for a courtroom, not the curb. Issue 2. The lawful order to exit. Under Pennsylvania v. Mims, 434 U.S. 106, an officer may order any occupant out of a vehicle during a lawful traffic stop. This rule applies regardless of the underlying violation. Refusing to exit on command is not a constitutional right, it is grounds for additional charges. Issue 3. The plain smell doctrine. The officer reported smelling cannabis as he approached. The driver immediately denied any odor. Even after Illinois legalized recreational cannabis, the detectable odor of raw cannabis from a moving vehicle still establishes probable cause for a warrantless search. Issue 4. The probable cause search. Once probable cause exists, consent is not required. The officer correctly explained the choice: stand outside or sit in a squad car. Issue 5. The open container of cannabis. Under Illinois Vehicle Code Section 11-502.15, transporting cannabis without a sealed odor-proof container is a petty offense. Recreational legality at home does not extend into a moving vehicle. 7 grams in an unsealed bag was the textbook violation. Issue 6. The fleeing passenger. When the male passenger ran from the scene with a firearm, every officer's calculus changed instantly. A runner with a gun is a danger to officers and citizens. Issue 7. The taser warning. Officers warned the fleeing male twice: get on the ground or get tased. Tasing was within Graham versus Connor, reasonable use of force. Issue 8. The firearm possession charge. The producer outro confirms the male was charged with possession of a firearm and was already wanted on an active warrant. Illinois firearm law requires a valid FOID card. A fleeing suspect with an active warrant is almost never carrying a valid one. Issue 9. The resisting charge. Under 720 Illinois Compiled Statutes 5/31-1, knowingly resisting a peace officer is a Class A misdemeanor. Maximum penalty, 364 days in county jail and a $2,500 fine. Illinois requires a minimum of 48 hours jail or 100 hours community service. Critically, resisting under Illinois law is not eligible for court supervision. If the officer is injured, the charge upgrades to a Class 4 felony. Issue 10. The officer's joking comment. When the female passenger panicked, the officer said, "I am not going to shoot you." Then he added, "I am just joking." Modern police training rejects this kind of humor in a high-stress arrest. It is not a crime, but it is poor de-escalation and weakens the agency's defense in any future civil claim. Now the grades. Officer Woodring, B+. Patient through hostile dispute, transparent about probable cause, lawful escalation. The shooting joke is the only blemish, the driver. F. Argued the lawful basis on the curb, refused commands, resisted a lawful search, earned 4 separate charges for a stop that started as a registration light. The fleeing passenger. F ran with a firearm, had an active warrant, added a felony exposure to whatever the warrant already carried.
And if there's not, then that's that. I can't take your word for it, okay? No, that's not going to happen. Can you step out of the car for me? I'm going to have you step back to this front of this first squad car, all right?
We can't wait till your white shirt come?
No.
Well, I just talked to them, and they said your white shirt is on the way. So.
Okay. He just came over the air in my radio and asked us what was going on, so he's not on his way right now, okay?
But what I'm saying is you don't have no probable cause to search the car.
Like I said, the odor of cannabis.
You said you smell cannabis. There's no cannabis in here.
I'm going to have you step out of the car, okay, man?
Wow.
Stop.
Narrow, they
Stop.
putting me in here.
Stop. Stop,
Hey,
dude.
bro, can you help him? Oh!
Stay here. Don't get out of the car.
Help! Help me! Can y'all start recording, please?
Stop. You're getting...
Can y'all start recording, please? They pulling us over for no reason. Can y'all start recording, please? Please help me. Help! Help! Help me! They pulling us over for no reason.
Mayshawn, relax.
Listen, they pulling us. Can y'all please record? Please! Please! They trying to record. Pull on, man! Help! Help me!
Man, you're making a big scene.
Yeah, I am, because y'all doing this for no... All right.
Hey, Shannon, relax.
Y'all doing this for no reason,
Hey,
bro.
we got one run.
Get on the ground, now! Get on the ground! Drop whatever you have! Drop it! One running, back towards college, coming out by ISU PD. Get on the ground! You're gonna get fucking tased! Going southbound on Carme. Black male, wearing all black. Get on the ground! Dude, get on the ground. Get on the ground. Turn around. Turn around! You're gonna get fucking tased!
Carme.
Get on the fucking ground!
Hands behind your back. I know. Just hop out of the car. Do they have drugs or something on them?
No, they don't have anything. I have my stuff with me. I have all my stuff with me.
Okay.
And I don't live here. I'm not from here. I'm from Peoria, Illinois. And I have all my stuff with me. I have my cannabis, but they don't know that I
Be careful, there's ice on this road.
You hear me, sir? What's your name, sir?
You guys keep going east or west of here.
You hear me, sir?
Hold on, I'm talking to them.
Okay. Can I tell you?
Yeah, I'll have you hop out of the car, okay?
Okay. I have my cannabis in my bag because I work right across the street from the dispensary, but I haven't been smoking, but that's probably what
Okay, that's
smell.
fine. Listen,
But
you're
they
not
don't
really
know
in
that.
any trouble right now, okay?
But I'm telling you, this is my bag. And
That's
it has,
the blue bag there?
Yeah, this is mine and this is mine.
Okay.
And it has my cannabis in it right here.
Okay.
I have a 7 of weed with me. They just picked me up from my mom's house. I cannot afford any of this. I'm a professional fashion model signed
I
in
got you.
Atlanta and Hollywood.
I got you. I don't need you to explain all that right now.
I'm so scared.
Ma'am, I can't have you explain all. Do you understand what's going on? You have a guy that bailed.
I don't know
He's
what's
fighting with
going
us
on.
back here. Okay, we're not worried about you right now, okay?
I'm just telling you that this is my.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Do you know his name? They just said that you're his boyfriend.
You mean girlfriend?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I just met them.
You don't know any of them.
No, I just met them.
I have a hard time believing that. Why were they saying that you're his girlfriend?
Because I just started talking to him. I just started dating.
Okay. So you don't know his name at all?
No, I don't know his name.
Okay.
Why y'all doing this to us? What did we do wrong to y'all? We did nothing wrong to y'all. I'm scared. I called y'all white shirt.
Okay.
Y'all didn't come here to help.
So you don't get a white shirt, you run
So
from the
I
traffic
ran.
stop?
Yes, because I'm scared.
That's smart, dude. Real smart.
I'm scared.
You already searched him? Yeah.
You know what y'all... Do you know what y'all officer told me? If I'm scared of y'all, run and come to the station.
That's what they said. Stay in the car.
Run and come to the station. Y'all gotta help me, bro. I can't fucking stand up in the
Lean your head forward.
There you go.
There you go.
God damn it.
Busted my...
You good?
Oh, Mylon Tate.
That sounds familiar.
What?
Can you come around and have a seatbelt?
Take a deep breath for me and just listen to what I say, okay?
I have my liquor in my pocket too.
Okay, leave
But
that.
I haven't been drinking. And I don't
Is it
want them-
open?
Yeah, I don't want them to get in trouble.
Okay,
for anything.
they're not going to be in
I don't
trouble.
want them to get in trouble for my stuff.
Okay.
3 lessons before we wrap. Lesson 1. Argue at court, not at the curb. Every blinker dispute is more cheaply litigated at a traffic hearing than at a felony arraignment. Lesson 2. Pennsylvania versus Mims is settled law. When an officer asks you to step out, step out. Refusal creates a resisting charge. Lesson 3. Running from police with a firearm guarantees a felony. There is no traffic stop small enough to make that a smart trade. To the officer who joked about shooting a panicking arrestee, that line will land in a deposition someday. Modern de-escalation has a better script. Bonus lesson: if you carry cannabis legally in Illinois, know the open container rule. A sealed container is the difference between a petty ticket and probable cause for the whole vehicle. Do you agree with these grades? Drop your take in the comments. We read every single one. Subscribe. Share this one with anyone who needs the warning, and hit that like button on your way out.
They're not going to. You're admitting to all of
Okay.
it. So if anybody would get in trouble, it'd be you, and I just explained to you that that's not going to happen, okay?
Okay. Are you okay?
I am fine. I'm
so fucking scared right now. Should I call my mom and dad?
I need you to step out of the car. You're going to be searched.
Okay, I found my wallet. That's what I.
Okay, can you stop reaching in all your pockets? Step out of the car for me, okay?
Can I pull my wallet out?
No. Step out of the
He
car.
has my ID in it.
Ma'am, get out of the car. There's no reason to be scared, okay?
Anything.
Ma'am, I'm not going to shoot you. Okay, step out of the car. Miss, please, step out of the car.
I'm
Okay.
just shaking.
All right, step out of the car, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to have you stand at the back of this car. Okay. So the brown purse is yours, the blue suitcase?
Yes.
Okay. Can I have you step back to this?
Okay. Hey. I'm so scared.
Can y'all please just put my arms in front of me?
Absolutely not. No. Yes or no? Do you want an ambulance?
I can't breathe.
Do you want an ambulance?
Come on. Fuck the ambulance, man.
So no?
Just get me out of the back of this motherfucker.
Well, that won't be for a little bit, so.
Okay.